Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. T5 here with Becky the Trekkie. We are in Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to get on a very powerful fast launch roller coaster and it's called
Pantheon.
How many launches?
Got 4 launches.
How fast?
73 miles per hour.
All right. she's got her facts together on this one. It was built in 2022. Nice job, by the way. And it was the world's fastest multi-launch at the time of 2022. We do not know if that is still the case here in October 2024. But needless to say, we think it's going to be a great one. It's a first ride for us. They don't have a lot of theming, just a few statues, and Pantheon is like the Greek god. So we'll show you the sign on the way in, and let's go. You ready, Becky?
Got it.
All right, here we go. It says 10-minute wait time, so not too bad. It's still pretty early. We just got a first ride on Verbolten, and now we're going on the Pantheon. Join us. Nice hit. Nice hit.
Oh, it is. Oh, wow.
Please place all loose articles in the exit bins. If you lose anything on the ride, we cannot retrieve it for you.
Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint and exit carefully to your right down the ramp, taking all personal belongings left in the bins. Thank you for riding Pantheon, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, step carefully into the seats directly in front of you.
Did you make it?
Pull the harness down over your head and shoulders and onto your lap. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step back. The gates are now closing.
Front row, Becky.
Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time.
72 miles an hour.
During your ride, remain seated, keeping your hands on the lap.
Got the
bar,
straps
with your
on
arms
real
and legs
tight.
Down and inside
Tightening
the ride,
them up.
with your head back against the
Super
headrest
tight
at
against
all times.
the old nose. You can feel it pinching. I'm ready. I think we're all clear.
Yeah, Papa.
Oh.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you
Here we go,
conquer
Becky.
Pantheon.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we could please not lean on the gate.
Pantheon. Oh, it's a launch and a roll. I'm just gonna hold on for the first go. We may go back row, hands up later. Here we go, everybody. Oh wow, out of the seat. She's a rocker. She's a roller. Oh man, here we go. Outer space. Start to finish. Okay, I tried a new strategy this time on the backwards thing. I just inhaled air the whole time, and it seemed to like put enough pressure on my chest that my stomach didn't like drop. So that may be my new strategy for backwards stuff. So I'll keep that in mind, everybody, if you're worried about the backwards thing. But that meant that whole launch forward, I was trying to like inhale, which was very difficult to do and not scream, you know?
Yeah.
And then all the way back, I just kept sucking air, and it seemed to help quite a bit. So I think I could ride this again, honestly.
Yeah.
It'd be interesting to see in the back and at night. If you didn't know what was going on, this thing would be crazy. Like we can see all the twists and turns, you know, up here. So, man, there are just so many good roller coasters in the world right now. It's hard to make a top 10. It might have to just push it to top 20. I don't know. We'll see. It's getting tough. So that was like that's a solid 9.0.
If you lose anything on the ride, we cannot retrieve it for you.
As long as we didn't lose our stuff, we're gonna be golden. Oh wow!
Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint.
Looking good. All right, Pantheon 2022. It was a rocker and a roller. What'd you think?
I love this. Oh my gosh, front row. I had my hands up, I think the whole ride. Yeah, definitely enjoyed it. It was kind of similar in some ways to like Max Force, Great America at some parts of it. But yeah, I really enjoyed this coaster.
All right, as far as rollback coasters go that I've been on, we've been on quite a few on the channel. I gotta say this was the most enjoyable. So it didn't really affect me like that. It didn't make me sick or anything. So it's really smooth. You can tell they did a great job with it. It's brand new, basically a couple years old, so that's brand new. We've been on some coasters that have been around. I mean, Blue Streak, I don't know how old that one is. That one was, compared to this, that's crazy. Check that video out if you're watching this and you haven't seen our Blue Streak video. That it's an old Woody but a goodie. But let's talk about this one for just a second. She had her hands up the whole time. I kind of held the bars for the like that long roll upside down, but I could probably go hands up all the way. But really on a first ride, I try to just kind of like ride it. And then of course, if you're getting pushed down, I went hands up there. But hey, if you could do this hands up the whole ride, first go, that's awesome. So I know I just had a great ride. The only thing that it lacks really is a little bit of theming. I would maybe put some more statues, like put a couple of statues in, or if it had like a dark element or something, like I don't know,
Sometimes feel like
or like a fake water element, like for Neptune or something like that, maybe. But they could add that in, you know, like as a ride effect after the fact. But I'm still gonna give it a solid 9.0, just because the ride itself is so good.
It was awesome.
And it's great. And really, they're turning over pretty quick. And we had a great ride. So thanks for joining us. Consider liking, subscribing, sharing, or leaving us a comment. It all helps something. And we always appreciate that. Big thank you to all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers, and fellow riders. And we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.